Hello students, welcome to join online learning classes Holy Child Academy Senior Secondary School, Jaunpur. Myself Dinesh Kumar Prajapati, PGT teacher with English. Today I have an important chapter, note making and summarizing for class 12 CBSE. It comes in 8 marks in board exams. Note making is a useful and important writing skill. A student can develop it by constant practice and efforts. Actually, notes are an essential part for a student's academic life. So, students should study this important chapter for preparing the exams. So, let's start the video about note making. Firstly, we know what is note making. Note making is a way of recording important details from a source. This source can be any book, article, meeting, or any oral discussion. In note making, the writer records the essence of the information. It helps us to understand and clarify thinking. Note making saves a lot of time by giving through the notes made. One can get a glimpse of a lot of information from a short notes. Now we will discuss about the advantage beneficial of note making, which is first point. It has great importance in exams or in academic writing. Second thing, it is an organization of main points for future use. Third point, note making helps in keeping the information handy whenever we require. Fourth point, it helps in collecting and recalling the past events said or heard. Fifth point, it helps in concentrating, understanding, and provides a permanent record. Next point, note making format helps a writer to go through bulky documents quicker. Bulky means big documents. Next point, it helps in understanding a material if the notes are in own words. So these are the some other points related to note making. Note making is very important for the students, and a student needs some points that is given. Firstly, to give the passage a suitable title. Everyone student should find a suitable title for the given passage. And second thing, to make notes on the passage using abbreviation means short form, for which you can say you have given at least 4 points if it is necessary. And another things, write to a summary of the passage to develop the notes into a paragraphs. Means the paragraphs which is given in the board papers, we have to summarize. Means we have to write in shortcuts. Means 40% of the given passage. Now we will discuss the marking scheme. Title, for title 1 marks, note making 3 marks, abbreviations 1 marks, and summary 3 marks. Total 8 marks question comes in board examination for it. Means you know, marking scheme means total for title 1 marks, note making 3 marks, abbreviation 1 marks, and for summarizing 3 marks. Total 8 marks you can give. So note making is very important for us. Everything and some other things that you can see, the finding title, how to find the title of the given passage in the paper. First point that is given, the title should be short. The title should be short, not big or lengthy, precise and relevant. And the things, never pick a long sentence as a title. Means title should not be big. Third, the title should reveal the spirit and strength of the passage. The title should be relevant and suitable for the passage. We should not depend on the lengthy and something that is odd. The title should be suitable and full of purpose. And next things, begin title with capital letters. Title should be in capital letter. It can be a single word or a phrase. Suppose a kind king, a merciful lady. In this way you can keep the title for it. And making notes. Making notes, it is very important for us how to make notes. So first, note should be short and precise and to the point. Not full length, means note should be very short and they should be relevant with important information in logic order. Another things, notice notes should be relevant, means there should be important information. Unnecessary material should not be used in the notes. And third things, find suitable headings and subheadings, means after reading the passage thoroughly we can find out suitable headings and suitable subheadings. And titles should not be repeated in this way. And four things, avoid using examples, articles and prepositions, means there is should be no use articles, prepositions, or there is no role of grammatical points about that. Another things, steps to make notes. What the step to prepare a notes, to make a notes? There are five important notes, points, steps given in this video by which we can prepare a good notes for it. So firstly, step first, read passage thoroughly. Thoroughly means carefully. Passage should be thoroughly studied. Second things, locate keywords, phrases and sentences. There will be use of phrases and important words that reveals the essence of the given passage. Step third, divide passage structurally, thematically for headings. Minimum 3 or 4 words are the headings. Means paragraph wise find out a suitable headings, and under this heading we should find out 3 subheadings, 3 sum points or 4 points, not more than 5, at least 3 and not more than 4. And next point, provide required subheadings under each of heading. Under one heading, one main heading, there will be 3 or 4 subheadings. And fifth and last steps, use abbreviation in notes, minimum 4, and provide key for the same at the end. Abbreviation means shortcut, short notes. Short notes means there will be 4 abbreviation words we have to find out from the passage. Suppose abbreviation there is any words, suitable words. Suppose Dinesh Kumar Prajapati, we can write DKP. This is abbreviation words. So in this way we can use for it. So in the second part of note making and summarizing, we will discuss about the format of note making. First of all, title of the given passage. First of all, write title of the passage. Suitable passage, reasonable title should be select after reading the passage thoroughly. The first note making contains four main headings, and under each main heading there are four subheadings. Minimum 3, maximum 4 headings should be included in note making. First, main heading. Then under main heading there will be 3 subheadings: first, second and third. Third here. So at least 3, you can give one more 4, but not more than 4. So first, one main heading and 3 subheadings, or 4 you can give. In the same way, under main heading and then subheadings 1, 2 and 3. In this way you can see in format. And in the same way, third main heading, and under this 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 subheadings have been given, and four main headings 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. In this way we can prepare a good notes. And at last we will discuss about the summarizing summary that comes in 3 marks, 2 marks for content and 1 mark for expression. Summary. Firstly, develop expand notes in sentence to form a short paragraph about 80 to 100 words. In summary, we use 40 words, 40% words for the given paragraph. If there are 100 words, we should use 40 words. If there are 200 words, we should use 80 words, not more than 80 words. So paragraph wise, first of all, we underline the important things, and we can convert it into own words for making a good summary. Second things, pick out important points to form complete sentences in logical sequences using appropriate linkers without using abbreviations, symbols. So means pick important points, means that is important points, important things given in the passage. So we should underline, and we should keep in logical way, in appropriate order, in a good order. We should link from one line to another lines to make a good summary in not more than 80 to 100 words. And at last, there should be 4 key abbreviation words we should use for that, that is necessary for things, for the things and note making. Suppose for the examples abbreviation, you can write eg, eg, and for and you can see in this way, and for etc, etc, you can use the words. For limited, lmt. That is way to write abbreviation words. So students, you have seen this video, that is very important chapter for you. So see the video carefully and make good notes for preparing the exams. Okay. In the third part of note picking and summarizing, we will see one example by which we can clear our doubts. This is passage in which there are 6 paragraphs. From each paragraph we can understand, we can find out one main heading and 3 or 4 subheadings. First of all, read this passage carefully, and on this base of paragraph prepare a good notes. Now we can see the note making. First of all, comprehension passage. This is title. First of all, write title. Then main heading we can get from the paragraph reading comprehension. Under this there are 3 subheadings like most peculiar section in almost all tests, make a lot of difference in getting goods. In the same way, second part means second main heading classification of comprehension passage, and under this there are 3 subheadings: fact based passage, inference based RC, and topic based RC. Under this you can use some phrases or words also as a point that is given in this video. In the same way we can do another points 3 and 4 points for practice. Last, keywords, key to abbreviations. We can find easily from the given paragraphs. We can write the abbreviations in this way. Suppose the word and abbreviation. 4 abbreviations should be given. It is compulsory. Difference, DIFF point, difference, abbreviation is short form. Reading comprehension we can write RC. Particular, CL means some words like U and A are omitted. Questions you can write in shorthand quiz. In this way we have completed one chapter note making, that is very important. So all the students see this video carefully and make a good notes in your fair copy for preparing the examination.